Wednesday, and hoping you're all really well. Sorry we haven't come in recently because Cush has been away, Kirsten's away, as you know, and so it's just me and Bex. Bex,
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just keeping it all up and line.
we're trying something new today. We're up to all kinds of nonsense in here, as you may have seen. We have got a tripod today, so we're going to try and show you some of the things that we snuck into the online sale.
Yeah.
Thank you to the ladies who have already found it. Hope
You
you're
sure
loving it.
did. You
Yeah.
sure did.
Yeah,
Did you find
that's
it?
very good. Kush is maybe aware of some of this, maybe not also. It's honest, like, we are totally truthful in that we were just like, should we just do it? Like, no one's here. They're both on a plane away. Let's just do it. I'm doing it because I'm in the shop and I'm looking around and I'm going, we need some space.
Yeah.
I need to put some different shoes away.
And I'm doing it just probably because I'm naughty.
Yeah, as you may know. So what we thought we'd do today is, you've seen all of our new season, you're loving our new season. In fact, you know, there is still quite a lot of ladies buying some really great styles. But we thought we'd show you our little top picks for...
What we love that's on sale, essentially.
Yeah.
Some really goodies. There have been new things added. You'll see we've always had a bit of a warehouse sale tag, but there's lots of cool stuff newly added. And prices have been dropped on other things as well. Honestly, Renee's walking around the shop like this. What about those? What about those?
I'm like,
What
you're
about
on
those?
sale, and you're on sale, and you're going on sale. So yeah, it is actually a very organic process. Some of our Dixie ladies, you will know that we sometimes have a sale here in our HQ, but honestly, it has just been so busy that there hasn't really been much time to make that happen because it is quite a big undertaking to get that sorted. So this is kind of like our online sale, and then everyone can play. But also, I mean, I may not have a job next week. We'll see.
Yeah, you'll know
We'll see.
how well it's gone down if we're here on Tuesday.
And
So Tuesday.
yes, I have to say, it's not because the styles we put on sale we don't love. We love them. It's just, well, one, there might be broken sizes. Two, you know, our retailers. Also check our retailers. Oh my gosh, I have found some amazing sales. I'll circle back to one style that I saw. Our retailers have got some amazing sales as well. So definitely do, if we don't have the size, definitely Google.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And a lot of them are just last pairs. So when it becomes the last pair, or maybe last two, if we're a bit sneaky, we just whack them on sale. So, because we just need the space on our shelves. So there's some really super cool ones that I can't believe.
I know, I've actually chucked a little pair on my feet today. We can't actually see if you're commenting, ladies, so we will check that shortly. Maybe should I check it?
I'll check it. You start a little bit of a showing,
I'll check
and
it.
I'll check
And we
behind the
hope
camera.
this tripod situation is working. I'll get, hopefully
Yep.
Bex can have a look and see.
Yep.
Okay, so how far back do I need to go?
Yeah, about there, I reckon.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so-
a little bit further back for your feet. Yeah. Yeah. No, not for your.
Right,
Yeah.
so this
What are you showing us?
This is my top pick. This is my top pick. I literally,
Yeah.
hopefully you can see, sorry we can't put the camera down, but this is my outfit. I'll take my big old gilet off. So, you know, barrel jeans look really good with a point. And I have sneakily, actually, I did message Cush and say, if I put these on sale, am I going to be fired and will I be in trouble? She said, no, you won't, Renee. So I put these on sale. This is the Skylar. I've got the 41 on. It is perfect. There's really beautiful room in here. Really good trans-seasonal. There is one rose gold, but there's sizes of this one. We've put them on sale. I think you're just going to have to hop off and go and look at the price because I don't know if I can say it because Cush might be watching and I might get in trouble. But yeah, so beautiful oil crinkle. Adjustable buckles if you need them. I didn't, particularly for my foot and my instep. I actually just zipped it and it was perfect. Back zip, perfect. So easy to get in. I think in high winter you could wear these with stockings, particularly the black pair. There is 138 in this rose gold. That's it. You'd be crazy not to get these if you've been thinking about them. Really comfortable, could wear them all day.
Yeah.
I feel kind of like edgy, cool, kind of, you know, I feel good. They make you feel good. Really
Over
great.
stockings as well, tights?
Also
Yeah.
Oh,
yes.
Stockings,
Yeah.
yeah, you could wear the black ones with the stockings. You know this, this is the Hawk Giddy Up rider boot last. It's really soft, nice little rubber on their sole, so you know, and it's bendy. It's great. That is my top pick. Like, this is my top tier pick. These will be going off sale when Cush is back, so I would not waste time. So that is my number one.
And just if you've tuned in, there's been quite a few new watchers. We're talking about our sale, so we're just kind of really quickly running through some of our favourite pieces that we put on there as well.
Thanks, Bex.
And what you were just looking at Renee wearing, that was the Skylar.
Sky L-E-R. So yeah, it is just so great. It's down to 159. I'm just gonna say
that.
I know. I said it. So that's my number one top. I'll let Bex do her one, and I'll check on you ladies.
So I have the Adele's on, right?
Yep.
So I have always adored these, and we have put them in sale. And they're quite newer season to be on the sale. So grab yourself a bargain. So obviously in the ivory.
Yep, we've got more in the ivory.
Yep.
We've only got 3 black.
Probably a full size range maybe in the ivory, and a few in the back. So what I love
I'll hold the black for you while you show the details.
Essentially, you've got your cute little Velcro strap there, super easy, and a little zip
to get in and out.
So you put your little foot in, zip it up, and away you go. So I think they're cool, really kind of grungy, but you know, I've got them on today with some jeans.
Yeah.
So you know, you can still get some time.
Yeah.
Through.
True to size.
True to size. I'm on a 40.
True to size.
So I don't know how much they are. That's Renee's job, but they'll be a bargain. They'll be a bargain.
We'll try and make it really quick so that you ladies can see. This is my second top. You know I love the Magnums. In fact, I will just say anyone who was wanting the white, showing the wrong side. Anyone who was wanting the white Magnum, which was one of my all-time favourites, I still wear it now. Mirror. My God, they have a full size range. It is incredible, the sale that they're having. So definitely check with them if you're wanting the white. I thought I'd do the chocolate brown. One, we have new laces, which could really make this pop. Yeah. And chocolate brown, we did this like a season ago, and there was no chocolate brown out. And now with fashion, it's everywhere. We've got the chocolate brown top on. There's beautiful brown trenches and jackets. So this is a no-brainer. The pink one, also beautiful. You can change the whole look of this with a new lace. I think these might be down to 120. I think. I'm not sure. You'll have to check. I did it really quick yesterday before I left. I think with the sizing of this one, for me, the 41 was like on the edge. So I will try them on. I'll put more notes in the thing when we've got more time, so you don't get bored from our little online sale chat.
More chat. Hey, I went into the last pairs area and thought, oh my goodness, these are so cool. What? That's ridiculous. I don't know what you put these down to.
I don't. I just go.
Giveaway.
Well, what size is it? I guess
it is a 37, and it is the last pair. And I know how many people have been calling to see if we're going to do a rerun of these, but this is the last one. So a 37, and this little cutie. Oh, also just to let you know, there is a easy little zip to get in, and the good old kind of, I don't know, can you say Doc Marten kind of vibe, but with the zip to get in. So this is the last pair as well. That is a 36. Who knows on? You'll look amazing. Last pair. I think
I put those down to 90, which is crazy for a boot. I know. I think. So yes, I think. I mean, there's a few ladies here. I know that Cush has been posting some amazing videos for her. I know the Vinnies. I know. I was just thinking, gosh, we'll be here all day.
Yeah.
But like, we could hold up a little array, I guess, of all the ones. Like, anyone going on holiday, Brindley, Cush's favourite shoe in the whole entire world. There's a lot of people travelling. This is super cute. Could be a walking shoe for all day, but then put on to go out, you know, for some sangrias by the pool, you know, like a perfect little summer.
And to partying.
And to partying, yeah. So it's a perfect little travel shoe. That one has gone on sale.
See, these are Rios, I think, from memory. These have just been, you were feeling
See, these have gone on sale, only for a short time.
Yeah.
So again, a really great travel shoe. A little bit of toe coverage for anyone not wanting to show their toes. Really lovely style. So
I know you've adored these.
I love them.
So there's heaps. These wedges as well for someone, you know, flicking off to a nice little overseas holiday. You want to walk around the pool.
Check the prices. Jump online. So that is our little show and tell. There's much more that we could. Are we going to try and do our different categories?
Yeah. So we have come up with a way now to categorise the sale section. So you'll be able to search, you know, if you're looking for heels, if you're looking for sneakers or boots. So at the moment, as of this morning, they're all in there all together. So you will just be scrolling through, which isn't bad when you are, you know, hunting out a bargain. But we just want to make that nice and easy for you, so we'll get that sorted throughout today.
We're working on lots. It's just the two of us. We will. I think we're going to get Meredith in tomorrow to give us a hand.
I don't know what we've done this. You know.
I know, it's been crazy. Crazy. I don't know how Kirsten does it. She's amazing. We miss you, Kirsten. And Cush, you're seeing all the awesome things that she's been up to. I can tell you that she's been doing some incredible work for next winter. So everything she's doing up there at the moment is for next winter, not this winter, next winter. So
you've seen some sneak peeks. And you've seen the little pocket boot as well. Some of you were all in, some of you are all out. But it's always great to have that chat.
Yeah, it's good feedback. I mean, Cush is up there. She's sort of got no one else to bounce the ideas off and the looks. So we've had lots of really great video chats with her. We've actually walked around a whole entire market with her. We actually found a little bit woozy afterwards. So we walked around a whole market with her yesterday while she was choosing particular things. Well, not a market, but where she goes to buy all the trims. So we've got some really exciting products that will come back. And like always, when Cush goes to China, the container will arrive and I'll say to her, what is this box? And she's like, oh,
that's right.
Yeah, I didn't tell you about that. So it's always a fun little surprise when she comes back from her trip. So let us know if you want us to try on anything, any of the sales stuff, any of the new stuff. It literally is just me and Bex, so it'll be the 40 and the 41 fan club. Meredith will be in tomorrow if you want her to try on anything. And in terms of shipments, I've had a few people saying, oh, are you getting more sneakers? Are you getting more styles? Are you getting more winter boots? A lot of ladies asking if we're getting more winter boots. We may be getting a small amount, and I mean that like maybe 2 styles, but we mostly are getting new sneakers, like repeat sneakers coming in. So we don't have another extra big. This is sort of, we've really got the heart of our winter here now. We'll just be doing little top-ups. The Catarina boot.
That is topped up.
Yes, that is topped up.
In some colours.
In some colours. I have put it on the description. We're getting what colours we're getting more of, and we're dropping a new colour, brand new colour. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now I remember.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
So there's lots of exciting things to come, and so if you want to see us tomorrow, let us know. Otherwise, Bex and I don't really know. We're kind of, flying by the seat of our pants here, so.
Let us know what you want us to try on.
Yeah. All right, ladies. We'll see you later. Bye.